We're having our first speaker for this Bangalore Royals meetup this June. And who do we have here? Well, when I spoke with her, as part of the leadership, I had to represent leadership and speak with her. She was bubbling with a lot of energy, the way she was talking. And I was thinking, what a lovely speaker she's going to be, right? And that's what we're going to be seeing in her. She's someone who beautifully blends practical financial wisdom with deep inner transformation. He's a certified financial planner and investment planner who helps individuals, families build long-term wealth and with clarity and purpose. And she's also a financial coach and money energy coach. She's passionate about helping women develop confidence with money, strengthen their relationship with wealth, and create abundance from the inside out. Okay, and over the last year, she has built and nurtured a growing community of women on their financial and personal growth journeys. And her dedication recently earned her a place in the Hall of Fame at the Internet Lifestyle Hub, which we're all part of. So kudos to her. And today she's not here to talk about money, success, or achievements. She's here to share a deeply personal story about surrender, trust, and the surprising truth about confidence. So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let's put our hands together and welcome on Level 10 Energy, Shweta Goyal!
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. Before I begin, I wanna ask something. How many of you ever felt like I'm doing everything right in life? I'm learning, investing my time, energy, effort. I'm growing, but still life isn't working. Anybody feeling like that? And also, you also wondered, what am I missing? Anybody wondered, what am I missing? Doing everything right? Yes. And that was also me. I was doing everything, and for the longest time, I believe I was missing confidence. I thought confident people are those who speak on stage, they start business, launch courses, and I'm not one of them. So for the longest time, I kept waiting for the confidence to show up. Until one day I realized something very powerful that changed my life. My confidence wasn't missing, it was waiting. Wow. Waiting on the other side of action. And I'll just take you a little back. In 2011, I completed my MBA, got married, moved to Bangalore, and prepared for UPSC for 3 years. 3 years of hard work, sacrifice, and hope especially. I couldn't clear it, and that actually affected me a lot. But life moved on. I became a mother. I started something, then stopped, stopped. But somewhere along the way, I stopped believing in myself. And then in 2022, I became pregnant again, and that's where I started searching what I'm meant to do. Still lost. I joined many national and international coaches, worked on my mindset, and I started building myself. So definitely my awareness expanded, but action hasn't. I was not acting enough. And that's when I saw Siddharth. In December 2024, I joined Siddharth, and during the first inner circle call, he was mentioning about the next round of hackathon that was going to start from January, and he was mentioning a lot of people joining 4 times, 5 times, and they don't complete. I want you to be committed. Just in the first round, just committed. And those words landed me something differently. And in that moment, I just committed to myself, no matter what happens, I'm going to finish it in the first time. And to be true, that was the easiest part. The challenge began after that. So when he told about video creation, I was like, oh my god, I'm not that. I can't create videos, I can't put up myself. And it used to take me 2-3 hours just to record 1 minute video. I take multiple shots, but it didn't come out well. But then still, he asked, post it, and then I posted. And it is still now I'm continuing from last 1.5 years. And the second challenge was course creation. And I never felt good enough. I can't record course. I was searching webcam, this and that. But I have not bought anything. But again, it was like, oh, I can't record. I don't know my node, how to use this and that. But once it says recorded, I just left everything and just thought, okay, let me do it. So I just used normal presentation and recorded all my courses. And after that came the biggest challenge, selling, webinar formula. And then he told, you have to go and sell. And that is where it was like, oh my God, like, how do I do it? I'm not good with sales, I can't do, I'm not sure who will show up. But again, I did it, I started, and for almost 1 year, I did my webinar every Saturday without any direct sale. I didn't got any sale directly, but I kept on showing, and with every week on week, my confidence was getting deposited in my account.
Wow.
And slowly people started coming. Maybe after the webinar, they'll come for the clarity call, and I kept on adding people. And in the June, I was having 12-14 members in my community. But then again, in 2025, my biggest dream was to be Hall of Fame. Go on XTR, and that is what I was visualizing. But around June, July, it was happening like, sales was not happening that much. I was feeling fearful. How will I achieve it? Lot of anxiety and things came up. I was not clear about L3. What do I sell? Even though I had learned so much, but about whenever I used to think about L3, lot of things to do. What do I do? How do I do? Not at all like I can do it kind of a thing. And I was getting this anxiety. How will I become Hall of Fame? And one day during my prayer, I just said, and I surrendered. If I'm not ready, maybe the next FPR it happened. Shweta, just let it just flow. And just in that moment, something happened, something shifted within me, and I just received in whispers the term money energy. Even up until then, I haven't heard of it. And it was so strong, like a calling within me. I heard these voice, Shweta, you are ready. And just after my meditation, I just put a message in my community. I have something special for you. Please do show up tomorrow at 11 a.m. And after putting the message again, I was very scared. Now what to do? I don't have anything. Then in the evening, I just sat down and I just thought, okay, what can I give to my people? I just created a structure, not a perfect one. But I just created something, and the next day, I did the showcase, and my showcase finished in 20 minutes. I was so scared, so much anxiety was there. I just finished very fast, this, and I couldn't even tell the price. I ended it without asking anybody, and I was feeling, what you have done, Shweta? I was feeling so bad. And after that, one message came on WhatsApp, what's the price of your L3? I couldn't believe it. I asked, do you really want to buy? That was my message, literally. Then she said yes. Then I told the price, he bought in, and 2 more members joined in. I wasn't ready, but I showed up. That is how L3 happened, and in that time I just sold in 50,000 and I gave the option that you can pay me in 5 EMIs, that's not a problem. But then I get to know, okay, I have to show the income proof for Hall of Fame. And I requested them, if you can, no pressure, but if you can, please pay me. So 2 women next day only paid me full amount. And the one told me I'll try, and just on the last day where I had to submit the application, 30th September, that day another girl also paid. So actually this is what I realized. Confidence is not the confidence you can't get at the starting line. It comes at the finish line. So don't wait for the confidence. And second, surrender isn't giving up. It is giving up your resistance. And third, trust the mentor, process, and the divine, and keep showing even before you are ready. Don't wait, if I am ready, then only I will go ahead. And these are the 4 moves I have done. Surrender to my mentor and do without says no, brain in the freezer action. Just do it. Don't think much and act before you are ready. Show up consistently and trust the divine timing. It will happen. And I feel trust when multiplied with action, that's where transformation comes. And I just want to leave you with these 3 questions. What dreams have you postponed is because you haven't felt ready for it? What action do you already know you need to take but keep avoiding? Lot of time it is not like somebody needs to tell us. We already know what we are avoiding for our own growth. So just think of it, what actions you are avoiding and start taking that. And just what will become possible if you trust yourself, your mentor and the process little more. And maybe this Hall of Fame is just a step ahead, just in a way of surrender. Just surrender and you will become Hall of Fame or your next milestone you are going to achieve.
Let's give a standing ovation to Shweta. Yes,
Michael!